a new town, new school. There's no turning back. Where am I going? Oh, I'm so sorry. No harm done. No harm done, are you sure? Yeah. My name's Alexandra. What's yours? Well, I guess you can't just call me Alex, but... Oh, hi Alex. I'm Melina. Or you can just call me Lena. Well, this is my friend. Her name's not too complicated. In fact, I don't even remember. I just call her Sally. No, I won't say my whole name because it is way too long. Nice to meet you, Lena. Ow. Clumsy. Well, if you're wondering, that school starts really soon, so... Ow. I have such trouble standing up. Oh. Oh, darn. Here goes. Castly. Stay normal. And... yeah. Because totally, I mean... Everybody laughs at that. Ow. Oh. Hi, babe. Hi. Class doesn't start for a while. You're right. Did you see how mean she is? Are a lot of people here like that? No, not really. Okay then. You better watch it. It's not my fault that I by accidentally pushed you over. Stop it, Jane. We already know that you did it. No, shut up. I will get my revenge. See you after class, babe. I have English. Same. Sorry, I gotta go to math. So, English class? Just follow me. Good morning, class. Looks like we have a new student. And her name is... I'll let you introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Alina Merpergo. No, what is so funny, Miss Jane? That her last name's the name of a writer. It's like Bladed or something. How am I meant to know? Well, whatever. Anyhow. Now, class, guess what? We will be doing poetry. Do you have a problem with that, Miss Sasha? No. Ow. Stand up and be more helpful. Do we have to spell photosynthesis? Not necessarily. Well, everybody, shut up. Where's Jake? I'm right here, sir. Then, why can't I see you? Ah! Because my desk is so tall, sir. Get up on top of your desk. Okay, on the other hand, I prefer it down. Okay. Momentarily disaster. Everyone, get back in your seats. Sir, will we be doing this with partners? For this poetry assignment, no. But for others, yes. 1 second, I'll go get the paper. Hi. Hi? Okay then. Okay, everybody grab a piece of paper, one at a time. Ouch. Ow. Don't push me over. Sorry. Having a problem picking up paper, Miss Sasha? Sorry, sir. Sharon. Okay. Sorry, sir, it dropped. Can't seem to fit it on your desk, Miss Sasha? Sir, my desk is just small. Fine. Jake. Oh. My desk is humongous. My desk is humongous. Shut up, Jake! Sorry. Ah! Are you okay? Yes, sir. Coming, sir. The last sheet of paper. I'll stop being at the back of the class. Sure. writing. Sheesh. Oh. Oh, Sasha having problems writing on paper? No, sir. Drake, are you sure you can reach? No, sir. Oh. Moonshine. Oh, Sally. Good writing. Really need to change our bell. Anyways, class dismissed. Jake. Wait. It's about time, you two. Soon I actually got us a real table. People are using beds. And a suitcase. Yeah, really weird, right? Just take a look over there. Wow, they're so noisy. Oh. By the way, I already got you food. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Excuse me, or did you get way too much? I took quite a lot. Well, eat a bit. You're eating the tin. Oops. Is gonna eat anything? Watch it. Your food is getting our turf. Your head's squeaky. Come on. What were you thinking? That looks fairly normal. Wait a minute, those were so popular? Those people? Well, something I haven't asked. That guy over there. Who is he? That's their grandma's. Yeah. He's taken, as you can see. Oh, I can see that alright. And now you see why. Oh, no other people are. She's super mean, as you can see. Yeah. Ow. I keep slipping on ice cream. Clumsy. See you later. Bar. Oh my gosh. So cute. Isn't that kind of unusual? Not over here. You are clumsy. Clumsy, clumsy, clumsy. Oh. Oh well. Come on, let's get out of here. Wait, we haven't even eaten. It's gone on to me. What? She's on a diet. Okay then. So she still eats something. Fine, I'll eat something. I'll be back in a minute. Well, okay. OMG. Oh darn. My reputation is over. Kid, what are you doing near my table? Oh, I just fell over. I was just getting a glass of water. Didn't look like an accident to me. Are you okay? I'm fine. Ow. Ow. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm fine. Are you okay? She slapped you pretty hard. Yeah. Better get going. Sorry, we're all out of water. 'Cause I'm stupid and creepy. Do you want me to eat you or something? I've eaten a bunch of students, you know. Has the cafeteria person always been this creepy? No, she's new. I wish you good luck. She isn't. This is scary. Oh my god. I think we should leave. Yeah. Oh my god. The cafeteria person just threatened to eat her. Ah! We need a new cafeteria person. Ah! Come on. Oh my god. Is there a problem with anything? Your butt's stuck, dude. I'm Dick is last for everything.